Today's recipe is Aloo Chicken Kheema Korma. For this we need chicken keema or chicken mince 800 grams. You need one large potato. I've used here about 150 grams of potatoes cubed. You need 200 grams of sliced onions. This is around 2 medium onions. 2 large green chilies, 1 cinnamon stick, this is 6 inches, half teaspoon peppercorn, 4 cloves, 4 green cardamoms, 1 black cardamom. This black cardamom is an option. You need 1 teaspoon curry powder, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon of green chilli paste, 2 tablespoons of garlic paste, 1 tablespoon ginger paste, 100 grams of yogurt, salt as per taste. So what I've done is actually I've washed this minced chicken with turmeric powder, and we'll also be needing ghee. I'll be cooking it in ghee, but if you have normal oil you can use that. If you have butter you can use that. If you have olive oil you can use that as well. And we'll need some room temperature water. So let's start making Aloo Keema Korma. To a warm wok or pan, whatever you're using, add ghee. I'm using 2 tablespoons ghee. If you're using normal oil you can do that as well, or even butter. So I'll wait till the ghee melts. The ghee has melted. Now I'll add in cinnamon sticks, my bay leaves, peppercorns, cloves, cardamom. Saute this for less than 30 seconds because you don't want any of these whole spices to burn. So my flame is currently on medium. Now I'll add in my sliced onions, and I'll fry these onions till they are transparent in color. I will also add salt. This will quicken the process of cooking these onions because salt helps release moisture from onions. So now I'll fry it on medium flame, stirring it in between continuously to avoid the onions from burning. Stir these onions till they turn transparent. Onions have turned a bit transparent. Now I will add in my minced chicken. So what I want is for this chicken to cook till the water from this dries out. So I want the original water of the chicken to dry out, and we will be cooking it till then. Stir the chicken occasionally and continue cooking till this water here in this chicken dries out before moving on to the next step. The water has dried out from this chicken. You can see that there's no liquid here. Now at this point of time I'll add my ginger paste, my garlic paste, plus I forgot to mention turmeric powder in the beginning, so I'm adding half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. I'll be adding salt as well, curry powder, cumin seeds, green chilli paste. Give it a good stir and saute this for a minute. I'll also add in my whole green chilies. Now at this point, if you have mint leaves, you can add mint leaves. If you have coriander leaves, you can add coriander leaves. I have basil, so I'm going to use 2 leaves of basil. Now this is an option, you don't need to add if you don't have any. Now I'll add in my yogurt and give it a quick stir because you don't want the yogurt splitting in with the high heat. I'll let this yogurt cook with the minced chicken for at least 3 to 4 minutes before adding in the water and the potatoes. It's been 4 minutes. Now at this point of time, I'll add in my potatoes. Now if you want, you can add more potatoes, you can add less potatoes. The choice is yours. If you don't want to add potatoes, you don't need to as well. So I'll just saute this for another minute. It's been a minute since the potatoes have sauteed with the minced chicken. Now at this point of time, I'll add in room temperature water, around 2 cups. Probably I'll add another half cup more. So in total I've added 2.5 cups of water to this dish. Now I'll let this aloo keema cook till aloo is potatoes, so till the potatoes are tender. I'll let this cook and the keema will also be done in the meanwhile because chicken cooks very quick. I'm waiting for the water to start boiling in this chicken keema. Once the water starts boiling, I will cover it with a lid and let it cook till the potatoes and the chicken keema is ready. So my flame is still on medium. The water has come to a boil. I'll cover it at this point and I'll let this cook on medium flame till the potatoes are done. So it will take a while to do this. Let's check on the chicken and the aloos, the potatoes, and we'll see if the potatoes are cooked. You can see they're cooked. It's so easy to cut into the potato. At this point, your Aloo Keema Korma is ready. You can serve this with naans or zira rice. For this recipe of naans, please click on the link mentioned in the description box below. It's toaster naan. Aloo Chicken Korma is ready to serve. You can have this with naans. Please like, share and subscribe to my recipes. Please click on the bell icon for latest notifications. And thank you for watching. Enjoy!